The main purpose of the Camtasia is recording on your screen. It has a lot of interesting tool about that. So if you want to record your screen, you can open your Camtasia software and you can simply hit on record. Okay. And you can see a green border will be create here, and it tells you, okay, it's recording all of your screen. So it's very simple. Recorder, we have some menus here. This menu or the capture is exactly these buttons, and we have some preferences in tool. First thing first, it's recording area. Which area do you want to record? Screen number 1, screen number 2. If you have 2 monitors, 3 monitors, you can choose them. Choose a window. It's very interesting. If you open a window here, you can tell the software, okay, choose a window, and you can choose your window that is open. And if you hit record, the recorder, it will be a snap to this area. It's very interesting. Or going back to record screen, and with these handles you can change the area of your recording that you want manually if you want. Nice. And you can, this is a custom area. Again, you can go into record screen number 1, and or you can choose one of these dimensions. If you have a camera, you can turn it on. This is your microphone. From here you can choose your microphone, and here you can turn a system audio. For example, you have playing a video that you want to record the sound with, that you have to turn it on, because this is recording our sound from microphone, and this is recording the sound of the windows. Okay, you can turn it on or off, and then you can hit record. And this is on Camtasia Rev, a bridge between the main Camtasia and this recorder. Let's open that. What we show you then. In the tools, we have preferences. In the preferences, we have general, show record and countdown. If you hit your record, it's 3, 2, 1, countdown. Restore cursor location. It's very interesting. If you pause, if you're recording and your mouse is here and then pause and going most there, it's snap to previous location of your cursor. It's very important. Check all of these buttons except this. Do not capture recorder on a screen. It will disappear, and do not show them. It's nice. Exit recorder after recording, and it's nice. In a file, this is very important. You also must name that the output folder of recorder here. Do not change them, because it record the videos with this encoder. It's text with Camtasia. It's do not change them to this number, this recorder, because after that we are exporting to that. So in a file, this is a temporary file, and the record audio will come here. This inputs is very high quality and very high in value, and for example 1 gig, 2 gig, and after that we're changing to in Camtasia and convert it to MP4. The shortcut for pause and record and resume is here. F9 and change it. You can change any, just click and then hit any keyboard on your button on your keyboard, and that's it. And then you can click on the record and then go into the record rev next lesson, and done.